when they hit each other.
Oh
What?
my lord.
You can Echo. You gotta do it like a bit. But you're too close to it, Echo. Look.
Guys, I'm duplicating the logs. Please fix this, the forest. Oh my lord. Oh my. Actually, don't fix this. I'm just duping. I'd be here duping.
I'm done. I'll cut the trees. You can do that.
Guys, I think I've got enough. Guys,
wait,
I don't think we ever have to cut down trees again.
But we have quite a few block bits of wood in our base. Oh, big red guy. Wait, Aiden, he hurt girlfriend. Wait, he knocked her.
Kill Chonko. Kill Chonko. Oh, he won't tap me.
From what the hell? Listen.
Chonko's been like scouting our base for quite a while now, actually.
Yo, guys, come back to the base. You want some logs?
Oh, why do we have so many logs?
Guys, hey, ready? Watch this. Ready? I have 2 logs in my hand. Ready? Watch this. Boom! 3rd log.
How'd you do that?
I don't even know.
How are you doing this?
Oh, there's another log. Oh, there's another one.
This?
Throw those ones back there. Oh, guys. Oh, there's another one.
The log creator.
Oh, there's another one. Oh, guys, there's too many logs.
Burn my headphones. Oh. Hold up.
It's the god spot. It's the god spot, actually.
Bro is a log duper. The
I'm a
log creator.
I'm gonna say. You guys have fire.
Please don't ban me the forest.